My name is Ahmad, and I've been in the IT industry for several years, in which I have done basic help desk, desktop support roles to more advanced infrastructure and server support roles. And my career spans in several countries where I was involved in different areas, including IT. In terms of my academic background, I have got a postgraduate degree in business economics. And other than that, my professional certifications are, I am an MCSE, and I also have VMware exam certification, and I am now preparing for the Office 365 and Exchange Server certifications. About a year and a half back, I was referred to this place by a friend. So far, I have done about 8 courses, including Microsoft courses, Microsoft Exchange Server courses, VMware and Citrix. And there are about several more courses in my diploma. The quality of the courses are very up to date. They are in demand in the industry. Wherever in the world you go and proceed with your career, these high-level 2012, 2016 courses and the Exchange and VMware and Citrix courses are highly in demand. The quality of education that NetSoft gives its students is world-class. It's very unique in a way that the attention that you get from the instructors is very unique. It's very one-on-one basis. Anytime you have questions, anytime you have problems with your understanding, you can reach out to your instructors who are always there to help. So the reason why I would rate NetSoft above everybody else is because the extensive training that students get here is one of the best in the GTA. Unlike many other institutes where instructors have less of industry experience and more of academic experience, I would say NetSoft has a great blend of instructors who have years of working in the industry. They know what the current industry trends are, the kind of issues and problems that a candidate or a fresh graduate can run into, or even for an inexperienced professional can run into, the way they guide you. They are one of the best instructors that I have ever studied a course from. One of the reasons why the courses are so intense and detailed is because they prepare you for the real life problems, and the test environment prepares you well for what you are probably going to face in the real life scenarios, be it at your workplace, be it at your client's office. So the courses are so detailed that they prepare you, they cover you from every single corner of your job requirement. The instructors challenge students to use their experience and learning from every course so that they are better geared up for the kind of potential problems and errors and issues that they will have at their workplaces. I think the biggest advantage that NetSoft gives to anybody who's looking to excel in their career is that it prepares you very well. It gives you all the tools that are required by the industry. And once you are done with your course, with your diploma, with your program, you are good for many, many years. All the learnings that NetSoft has given you, all the tools that they have prepared you with, are what you will be required to practice at your workplace. So it prepares you for a very strong IT-based background, whichever career level you are looking into. You could be starting at a basic level, or you would be a senior architect. The courses are designed in a way that that you have a strong IT-related career for a long time. So I can name so many people who, like me, were doing well in their career, came to NetSoft, and then really excelled in their career. I know people who started at basic levels and then progressed all the way to a much medium level or a much senior level. So there are countless people that I know of who have had great successes in their careers thanks to NetSoft. So there is no fixed time that I have spent on a particular course. There are times when I've put 1 hour a day completing my assignments or studying for my lectures. However, there are times when I was studying either VMware or Citrix or Exchange, which required a lot of research, assignment time. So there have been times when I've literally put 5 hours each day, up to say 20 hours or 25 hours per week to complete my assignment or to complete my own research. So there is a very detailed course called Hire Me that I took in my infrastructure analyst diploma, in which we were taught how to make resumes that stand out in the industry. We were trained how to address potential employers, how to tackle difficult interview questions, how in a very precise manner answer different questions that basically land you the job. Some of the courses that I learned at NetSoft are courses that I see being in demand in the industry. I'm extremely happy that I learned VMware. I'm extremely happy that I learned Citrix. And I'm also very happy and satisfied that I was formally trained into the Microsoft server structure and all the technical jargons like DHCP and DNS, which I already knew, but yet I did not have a strong base where it was built for me. So I'm very happy and satisfied that I went ahead with the trainings in the areas of VMware and Citrix and the Microsoft server platform. Although it's very hard to say that I have one particular course, I have loved studying and basically practicing Exchange. I love seeing that what we were taught in the VMware course was exactly what I saw at my clients' offices and their clients set up. So courses like VMware and Citrix and Microsoft Server 2012 infrastructure was some of the courses that I really loved in studying and practicing at my workplace. I would recommend NetSoft to anybody who's looking to excel in their career. I would recommend NetSoft because it trains you to such a level that you can literally walk out the next day and start practicing at a decent, not even at a basic level, but at a medium to advanced level. The courses which are taught here, the scenarios that you are made to study and solve are exactly what the industry standards are. So NetSoft is one place where your training is not just limited to classrooms or some imaginary scenarios, but real life scenarios. And I would recommend anybody to NetSoft because it gives you so much material and ammunition to go out and excel in any difficult IT related situation. I would tell people who are looking to join NetSoft that step in with all your conviction, with all your motivation, give your due diligence, give your due time towards your studies, and within not even waiting for your program to end, but within 6 to 7 months of you starting, you would feel a huge difference in your knowledge base, in your IT attitude, and you will soon be so much fit for the job market that you would actually look back and you would feel happy that you joined NetSoft.